Lavelle here with the Juice Library Detroit, and we're rocking out here at the Oak Park Farmers Market. Yes, this is actually my first farmers market. One of my customers who was getting juices from me recommended me. Everybody's receptive to the books, to the juices, to talking about health awareness. It looks like everybody's trying to get healthy. I think that's a great thing right now in the community. I want to give a huge shout out to Marilee and the Oak Park Recreation Department for putting on this farmers market. I think it's a great thing for the community. It didn't exist when I was growing up, so I believe this is a great staple here for the Oak Park community. And Marilee is doing an awesome and fantastic job. The city of Oak Park is great, and I just want to thank everybody for allowing me to come and sell my juices and promote health awareness here.